For the whole wheat crowns we made in the lesson, we used red winter wheat, and that is usually available in bulk at grocery stores and health food stores. You can actually grind your own grain into flour if you have a grain mill, and so we just happen to have one here. It's really easy to do. If you can grind your own coffee beans at the grocery store, you can grind your own grain. You can grind brown rice, wheat berries, millet, whole soy, sorghum, whatever you like to make bread or flour with. So we've got our wheat berries, and I'm going to pour them into the hopper, and then you can set how thick or how thin or how fine you want the flour. We've got this all the way so it's very fine, and just going to start this, and it's very loud. And it'll grind it into flour. The flour comes out of the grain mill and goes into our bowl here, which we've covered so the flour doesn't go all over. So we'll get this started. I always like to let this die down a little bit because you don't want to take this apart and have the flour come up. All right. We'll take the lid off, and we have whole grain flour. Freshly ground, it's got everything in it.